Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 for Verizon Prepaid. So this is the 4G Galaxy A13 here, so do keep that in mind. So it's available now for $189.99. No contracts, of course. It's available in 32 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in black. So yeah, this is the Galaxy A13. You guys know what this phone looks like. There is a 5G version, but it does cost a bit more. So this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13 that we're looking at here in this video. So yeah. So there's the front and back there. You guys have your teardrop notch with your front facing camera there. Earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. On the back of the Galaxy A13 is your quad camera setup here. You guys have 3 cameras right here, plus a camera right here, and your camera flash, Samsung logo, and it's made of plastic. So yeah, very nice looking phone. That's the front of it there. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Right there is your micro SD and SIM card slot. And do keep in mind though that the camera they got just a bit there in the back. There's the back of it there. There's a better view of the back there. The right side of the phone has your power button, volume keys. And that's also your fingerprint sensor as well, so pretty cool. And that's the front of it again. So, the Galaxy A13 is 3.1 inches in width, 6.50 inches in height, up to 17.5 days of standby time, 49 hours of usage time. Like I said, you do get 4 cameras on the back, a 50 megapixel autofocus main camera with the f1.8 aperture lens, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back with the f2.2 aperture lens, 2 megapixel macro with the f2.4 aperture, then a 2 megapixel depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture with a flash, of course. So pretty nice. So it says here, meet the Samsung. It says meet the Galaxy A13 from Samsung. The high quality, user friendly device that keeps you connected. The 50 megapixel quad camera easily captures all those special moments in life, and you can view all of the gorgeous, and you can view it all on the gorgeous 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display. Keep going all day with a 5,000 mAh battery and fast charging support. The Galaxy A13 gives you everything you need in a smartphone at a price you will love. A quad camera system that captures more of what matters. Shoot captivating photos and videos in any situation with Galaxy A13's versatile quad camera system. The 50 megapixel high resolution camera is perfect for capturing precious moments and professional quality images of you and your loved ones. Then the ultra wide and macro lenses let you easily record the beautiful scenes you set out that you see out and about. Full HD displays are for more than just TV. This has a Full HD Plus display. The Galaxy A13 features an impressive 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display, meaning whatever you do will look stunning whether you are streaming, surfing the web, or rewatching shows, or rewatching those recent family videos. So pretty nice there. Performance you can count on at a price you'll love. Experience quality performance, crisp visuals, fast streaming, and reliable connections to those you love with the Galaxy A13's Exynos 850 processor. I think that's what it is, Exynos 850 processor. Long-lasting battery life. Stay connected with a 5,000 mAh battery and 15-watt fast charging that gives you a boost when you need it. Keep more memories with plenty of storage. Make more memories and keep them with plenty of storage with 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. Says here, make more memories and keep them with plenty of storage with 32 gigabytes of built-in memory and expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. You can keep all your memories close with the Galaxy A13. So take advantage of that micro SD card slot because you'll need it. A simply awesome modern design. You guys know what the phone looks like. It's basically a Galaxy A13. It's basically a Galaxy A13 with new 5G on it. Obviously, this one does not have 5G on it, so to keep it in mind. It says here, the modern sleek phone is designed with simplicity and usability in mind, while emphasizing style and durability. Serious about privacy and security. The Samsung Galaxy A13 is serious about security, protecting your data with multi-layer NOC security and allowing you to privately share files on your own terms. So it's very nice. So the specs on this phone are pretty good. This is a budget phone, of course, so to keep that in mind. So the Galaxy A13 is 6.30 inches in height, 3.1 inches in width, and 0.35 inches in depth. The Galaxy A13 weighs 6.88 ounces. It is a USB Type-C charging port, of course. It's pretty much standard now. The color is black. Screen 6.6 inches, Full HD plus TFT display. 60 Hz refresh rate, so nothing special about the refresh rate. The aspect ratio is a 20:9, that is 1080 by 2408 pixel resolution there. 17.5 days of standby time, 49 hours of usage time, 5,000 mAh battery, 15-watt fast charging. It does not have wireless charging there, so to keep that in mind. You get an 8 megapixel fixed focus front-facing camera. You get a 8 megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.0 aperture lens, and it's fixed focus, I believe. And you get 4 cameras on the back at 50 megapixels autofocus with the f1.8 aperture, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro lens, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back. The front and rear cameras can record in Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Processor is a Samsung Exynos A13 2 GHz octa-core processor. Android 12 with One UI 4.1. I believe that's the One UI version, I believe. So it has Android 12 on it. So pretty good. You get 32 gigabytes of storage with 3 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. Expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. You do get fingerprint sensor and facial recognition, Bluetooth 5.0, Google Assistant as your voice assistant. I think you get Bixby, don't you? I think you get that too, I think. There's your hearing compatibility. You do get 4G, obviously. There is no 5G on this version of the Galaxy A13. So do keep in mind, you will only get 4G on this version, so do keep that in mind. Global roaming mobile device, which will let you use it in over 200 countries depending on what plan you guys have. This is star ratings, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi. So yeah, if you guys need help with your Galaxy A13, Verizon has you covered with that. So say Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So yeah, so what comes in the box is the Samsung Galaxy A13 prepaid smartphone. This is the 4G version. Pre-install SIM card, USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM ejection pin, terms and conditions. quick reference guide. And I don't think you get a charging brick in the box, so you will have to buy one if you guys don't have one already. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A13 is now available at Verizon Prepaid. This is the 4G Galaxy A13, so do keep that in mind. It's available now for $189.99. If you guys want the 5G Galaxy A13, it will be a bit more, so do keep that in mind. So if you guys want the 5G Galaxy A13, it will have the 5G in its name, so shouldn't really be any confusion. So yeah, this is the 4G Galaxy A13, now available for $189.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.